Introducing the Journal Companion Series. The first book is a whimsical journal kit of wilderness and forest-themed journal pages, and ephemera are coming to Amazon, Etsy, and Ko-fi soon. The book has 14 double-sized journal pages that can be folded in half to create your signature. There are pages of coordinating ephemera that includes tags, journal cards, pockets, envelopes, and more. The paperback book is available on Amazon, and the digital version of the kit are available in my Etsy and Ko-fi shops soon.